In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 unexpected ways to grow your woodworking business. Let's dive in. All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the podcast. As always, I'm your host, Zach Vaught, and I'm so glad that you're hanging out with me today. I hope that this channel is helping you, giving you some principles, giving you some new ways of thinking, some new ideas to grow your woodworking business. And so this video is going to be a little bit different than what we normally do. We're diving into some ideas or some concepts that are unexpected, that are different. And some people do these and do great, but these are not common strategies to grow, okay? So I want to give you 3 unexpected ways to grow your woodworking business or just add some more extra revenue inside of your woodworking business, okay? So number 1, the first way to grow your woodworking business that's unexpected would be to offer some woodworking classes. Again, there's a lot of guys that do this. Most of us do not. This was not anything I ever did, but this would be a cool way if you're in a bigger area, a bigger city, to get people engaged with your brand. And this is another great way to position yourself as an expert, right? And that's one of the main things that you want to do when you are trying to attract clients to your business, is if we can position ourselves like we're good enough at this to teach it, then you're going to position yourself as an expert. Well, hey, if I want to buy something, I should probably buy it from you. Also, when you're teaching classes, you can charge $100 or $150. You could take on 5 to 10 clients every Saturday and be making an extra, $500 to $1,000 a week inside of your business, right? And so this is an easy way to be teaching, doing something that you love doing, and helping build the woodworking community as well. So that's a really cool idea. I love the idea of teaching classes, offering classes, and I also just love to teach. I love to help people learn new concepts, new ideas. So if you have a heart to teach, you're a good communicator, this could be an awesome way to increase it a little bit of additional revenue inside of your woodworking business. And by the way, you don't have hardly any expenses in this. They would need to pay for their own materials, and by the end of the class, they would have their own product that they'd be taking home with them that they built, that you taught them how to build, and you're pocketing all that money. Your margin was just your time and your energy, right? So second unexpected way to grow your woodworking business or add some additional revenue to your business is to collaborate with other local businesses in giveaways, okay? So this is one of the coolest things that I've seen done, is that I've seen where, say, 10 or 15 or 20 businesses get together and they offer something that they're going to give away. As a woodworking business owner, it could be something small. It could be a $100 gift card toward any purchase, a free table. It could be, something big like that. But if 5 or 10 or 15 different businesses get together and they all run a big, massive promotion around a giveaway on social media, you're pulling audiences from every business, right? So if you've got 1,000 followers and this business has 1,000 followers and that business has 1,000, this one has 5,000, this one has 20,000, and you're promoting and cross-promoting, you're going to be able to get a lot more eyeballs on your products, right? I've seen this pay off in huge dividends for guys before. I've seen this kind of bomb before where they didn't really, they sold something, gave it away for free. They got a little bit of exposure, didn't really end up in any sales, but you never know until you try. So if you got a little bit of money, you got a little bit of time, maybe to risk putting together a giveaway like this could pay off in huge dividends for you, okay? So collaborating with other businesses with giveaways, or also just another way to do it is just wholesale. You're building display tables, but putting this display tables on sale for a local boutique, right? Thinking outside the box. It doesn't have to be cookie cutter. This is what we do every single time, right? You can introduce other revenue streams inside of your business, okay? So last one here, which this is a cool one if you are a guy that likes to create your own plans, maybe you spend a lot of time in SketchUp or CAD software, and that is selling digital products or digital plans, okay? You see this a lot inside the woodworking space, especially woodworking influencers. You see this from a lot of YouTube guys. Fix this, build that. I think his name is Brad. He makes a killing building stuff and then building plans around it and selling the plans to his audience, right? And so if you have really cool designs or a unique idea and you can build plans around it, even if you sold the plans for $20, right? Let's say that they were $20 custom plans to build some unique product. If you sold one a day, well, that's an extra $100 every 5 days, right? If you sold 5 a day, that's $100 a day. And so this is a great side income, a great way to add additional revenue to your business, and also, again, provide legitimacy for your business. This is another thing that's kind of cool about these ideas, is they provide legitimacy around your business and your brand. And so I wanted to give you 3 unexpected ways, things that are thinking a little bit outside the box on ways to grow your woodworking business, increase your revenue, provide more cash that you can just stuff in your pocket at the end of the month, because ultimately that's all of our goals. We're trying to make more money, have more fun doing it, and make a bigger impact, and build something that we're proud of at the end of the day, right? So if this is helpful to you, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other really unique or cool ideas that have been profitable for you, let me know. I'd love to hear them. I'm sure other people that are watching this video can benefit from it as well. And if you haven't liked yet, make sure you mash that like button and make sure you subscribe if you're trying to grow a woodworking or a handmade business. This is the channel that's going to give you business principles that help you think outside the box. You've got the skills around woodworking and you've got the skills around the handmade thing that you do, but then you have business skills that you need to lay over the top of that in order to actually grow the business. And so a couple resources for you. The first one is my free ebook. It's totally free to you. It's the first link in the description below. And it really just outlines my journey from going from starting brand new, have no idea what I'm doing in my garage, to scaling to $70,000 per month inside of my woodworking business. It's an easy read. Go check that out. And then after that, if you are trying to get started, you need some business principles, you need some help on the next level, be sure to check out the Handmade Hero Academy program. That's going to be a great program to help you get started. It's a low-cost option to get you in the game, right? You sell one product, one high-ticket product as a result of what you learn in that program, it pays for itself, okay? And then lastly is if you're really trying to grow, you're trying to build a really legitimate side hustle, you're trying to quit your job and do this full-time, you're trying to scale your operations, and you're trying to get to 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 per month and beyond inside of your woodworking business, then be sure to check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. Guys, I literally have case study after case study after case study of guys that have come in and within 30 to 60 to 90 days, they're doing $15,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 per month inside of our program. There's no reason you couldn't be the next guy. If you've got a little bit of time, you got a little bit of money to invest, we are a premium program. So we're a more expensive option than you're going to find out there. But I also guarantee you, nobody else is going to get you the results that we're going to get you inside of this program. And so I stand behind it. I believe in it 1,000%. I say it with confidence that we can help you grow your woodworking business faster than any other place, any other resource that you can find in the world today. So that's a really bold statement. That's a bold statement, Cotton, but I really believe it. So with that, love you all, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.